Here's another one. From God to us, for you. Easy race, eh? Lord. 17 shots, our people are getting got. This game is non-stop. They middle fingers be screaming F the cops. We would hit the block, but the block is hot. Guess we got the count of loot at our private spot on our block. The crooked cops love to let they Glock go pop, and all we see is our people drop. Not a few, but a lot. This madness had to stop. So Lord, we repent for the time we spent lost in the world of wickedness. This government think they got us bit, but we won't break. Easy race, eh? This is a message from God to us, for you. Elohim will surely see us through. This fight against the world. Every black man, black woman, black boy, black girl. We are the diamonds and the pearls. We shed so many tears throughout the years, but who should we fear? We should always know who we are and where we're going. Because of who we belong to, the Lord God Almighty, our King Elohim. Why did these cops want us to drop? What? Why does this government want us to stop uplifting our people? It won't be a sequel today. We denounce the evil of these wicked demons. Watch them start screaming. My people let Pharaoh go. My people so our true strength could show. What? Why did these haters hate? Claiming that they real but they fake. Trying to imitate the ones that they love to hate. So they contemplate on your downfall and my downfall. But the Lord will see us through it all. They ain't ready. The most our children up too heavy. Lord, our motivation is the scars. Help us, Lord, in these times of trials and tribulations. Your salvation is the key to our next generation victory. My God, we should always know who we are and where we're going. Because of who we belong to, the Lord God Almighty, our King Elohim. Lord, help us through. Unite us all. Our dark skin is richer than the deepest soil. Our dark skin is more valuable than black oil. Our dark skin comes to earth like aluminum foil. Mess with eyes and our dark skin start to boil like cold water in a hot frying pan. Let it go, easy way, it's the Lord's revenge. Focus on the kingdom and reach. Do what the Lord told you to do, now speak. The Most High, His grace, His mercy says that we're worthy to serve the Almighty, finder of lost sheep. Lord, deliver us while we weep. Got victory.